Okay, so in this video, we're going to be looking at how to make these small structures. And it's super easy. So if you were able to do all of this on this side, which we did last week, and then you should be able to do this without too much difficulty. There's only two pieces of code we're adding on, so it shouldn't be too difficult. Now let's take a look at this example. And we're going to be moving from this position all the way to here. So we start at one pink side, and we go to the next pink side. The same applies right here. We start at this pink block. So our agent will be here. We're going to move. But our agent is not on top of the pink block, but where the pink block is. And you can see there's some breaks inside these blocks, but we'll talk about that soon. So let's take a look at our code. Now, from a blocks perspective, this is what our code looks like. You see, it's really, really easy. And yeah, matter of fact, let's take this one now. Yeah, it's super easy. So all we got is agent moving forward by some amount, turn left, turn right, and the agent is teleporting to player and placing on move. We're also giving the agent some blocks too. So let's take a look at what that looks like in our Python module. So you can see we have the move forward by 10, left turn, right turn, and here we have teleport to player, place on move is true. So if you want the agent to start making breaks in your code or breaks in your blocks, you change it to false. And we're giving our agent stone bricks. I want you guys to use stone bricks today. Very good. Now, the important thing is you don't go over this side. I want you to move on this side and use this side of the field. And you can go past these pink blocks to make your creations. But if you mess up, it's fine. I can delete for you, and I will be deleting it for you because I want your work to be contained within this space. So that's fine. And even if you pass level 1, you can just delete the first one and then move on to level 2 in the same area. So you don't need to build all of these and use a lot of space. Just build one at a time, delete it, build the next, 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 delete it, and then build the very last one, which is a bit more difficult. Great. So if I now say, for example, RL, my agent is now in line with the pink block. But is he facing the right way? No. So we type in left or L. I did left. There we go. Now my agent is in line. He's facing the right way. So how many blocks should he move forward? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, great. So I need to make sure that we move forward by 6, which I'm doing right now. You can see this is there. And I need to make sure that place on move is on, which it is right. As you can see, it's true. So we're going to press play. We're going to type in F. And, oh, wait, it wasn't actually on. Let's take a look at that again. So place on move is true. Let's use RL again. So RL, F. There we go. Great. And you can see this works perfectly fine, right? This is super, super easy. So you might also notice that it hasn't actually built to the very end. This is fine. All you need to do is make the agent go from one side where the pink is to the other side where the pink is. It doesn't need to move past this point. That's okay. So great, we've done that first one. Super, super easy. Let's look at this example right here where we're gonna be moving forward, then taking a break, then move forward, then placing a move, and then going forward again. So that's gonna be a few steps, not just one. Type in RL. Great. So let's break it down. So we're here. We want to move forward by 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do that first. So we move forward by 1, 2, 3. Great. Now what do we do next? Well, we now want to move forward by 1, 2, 3. And we also want to make this break. So I'm going to show you what happens if you only use 1, 2, 3. There'll be a slight mistake that will occur, or you'll see there'll be something that we need to fix. So we'll type in RL. We'll say agent dot set assist, and you can use the defaults. You can use the blocks to do this. Right, so set assist is up here somewhere. Set assist is, where is it? There we are. It's right here. So you can just drag that if you want to. And then we're going to say agent dot move forward by 1. And then we're going to say agent dot set assist to true again. There we go. Okay, great. So let's take a look. RL. Okay, see that. Now we'll do F. Okay. Okay, so what happened? You can see there is sort of an error, right? What's happening here? Well, it's because our agent is moving forward by 1, 2, 3, but he places in the position behind him. So actually, for things like this, what we need to do is make sure we go forward by 1 more. So we'll do by 4, and then go forward by 1. And let's see how that works out. Okay. So we'll type in RL again. RL. F. Good. Okay, great. Now this works. So now he should be starting to place blocks again. So make sure that the last thing is place on move. Great. And now we can just copy and paste this, or you can drag it from the code. And how many forward is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, great. So we'll press or type in 5 right here. Okay, let's go back. Type in RL. Type in F. Is this going to work? Great. You can see this works perfectly, right? This makes the exact same thing. Great. So that's all I want you to do. And you should be able to extend this to the other projects, but this is the first video. There'll be a couple more videos so that I can show you these left and right turns, and then also these up and down ones as well, because they can get a little bit complicated. But remember, when you have a break like this, you want to move forward until the break. So move forward until the break, and then place on move should be off, and then move forward, then place on move should be on, and then move forward by however many blocks it takes to get to the pink block. Great, so that's the first video, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we'll be looking at turning.